Ngayon na mayroong ganyan, dati hindi naman.
Oh, ayan o, tumutulog.
Kaya nga eh.
Ang lakas.
Ayan o. Ala, water is coming from the moon.
Ano ba? Hanggang saan ba sila nagtakip?
Hindi, natakap sila. Yung atik yan eh.
Hindi ba kayo na may naaapakan or ano? Mga
Ayan
ganon.
o, yung ganyan. Oo nga eh. Kaya nga patitingin ko. Ala. Hindi naman makita sa sa video yung tubig. It's very wet na here. The water is coming out from the wall.
Ayan nakikita, di ba?
There. Hindi nakikita oh.
Ayan o.
Ayun ka ba?
Ayan o.
Oh
Oh.
my, the water is coming out from the roof here. It's very, very, very fast. Very wet na here. Oh my, what's happening na? And also in the garage.
Oh, basang-basa oh.
Need water.
O, tinan mo yung ulan, no?
Very, very, very strong rain. See?
Papunta kasi
wet
dito yung
na.
hangin, no?
Wet, very wet. See that? Oh my. Oh
Wow,
my.
nakalangganan.
Really basin na. Too much. The rain is strong. See? Oh my. Yes. See? Oh, wet. Yes. Oh my. Why is... I don't know why happened here.